These are notes for 3-3. If two lines are parallel to the same line, then they are parallel to one another. So if two lines, A, B, are parallel to the same line, C, then they're parallel to one another. If two lines are in a plane, are perpendicular to the same line. So I have two lines perpendicular to the same line. Then they are parallel. So A is perpendicular to B. And C if two lines are in a plane are perpendicular to the same line. Okay. So A and C. So A is perpendicular to B.
I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Okay, he did get your trash.
Yeah, A is
check. Thank you.
No problem. A is perpendicular to B, and B is perpendicular to C. Then A is parallel to C. All right, and in a plane, if a line is perpendicular to one of the two parallel lines, then it is also, so I have two parallel lines. So here's A, here's C, here's B. So A is perpendicular to B, and A is parallel to C. Then A is parallel to C. All right, with these, it's best to draw a picture and do them one at a time and look and see what it has to say. All right, so number one, A is parallel to B, and label them as you go. B is parallel to C, so they go in the same direction. C is perpendicular to D, so there's D and they're perpendicular. So D is parallel to E. D is parallel to E. So how is A and E related? A is perpendicular to, A is going to be perpendicular to E. 2, A is perpendicular to B. Here's A, here's B. B is parallel to C. B and C are parallel. C and D are parallel. And D and E are perpendicular. D and E are perpendicular. So A and E are going to be parallel. 3. A is parallel to B. B is parallel to C. C is perpendicular to D. And D is perpendicular to E. So A is going to be D is perpendicular to E. Let me do that one again. A is parallel to B. B is parallel to C. C is perpendicular to D. and D is perpendicular to E. So A and E are parallel. C is perpendicular to D. C is perpendicular to D. And D is perpendicular to E. So A is parallel to E. All right. And then the last one, 4. A and B are perpendicular. B is perpendicular to C. And C is perpendicular to D. And D is perpendicular to E. So A is parallel to E.